Hello, in front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the OnWear application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and this should bring you to the device page, and on it you should see your watch, which is called RNBE64-641. Tap on this banner right here to open this menu, then tap on Unpair and tap on Confirm. The watch will disappear from this banner, from the device page. We can close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone, and here make sure that the watch is not on the list of previously connected devices. If it was right here on your phone, tap on the settings icon next to it and tap on forget device and tap on forget device again to confirm. Okay. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.